Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how quickly you can cancel Netflix. Okay, so to do this you have to open your PC and the browser and enter netflix.com website. So enter right here and then click on the right upper corner and select account. Next, you have to focus on this panel above the account. Under account you can find membership and billing. So click to cancel membership with the left mouse button, and then to confirm you have to select this blue button, finish cancellation. You are also able to go back if you misclick or simply change the standard. And that's all for this video. You can only do this on your PC. You cannot do this on the application. So each time you type right here, go to the settings and check account details, you will be simply move to your browser. So you can only cancel payment on your PC. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.